Want to cool down in a healthy way? Trust this traditional Indian drink and get ready to be impressed. Let's make Sattu Sharbat from scratch. 2 ways: sweet and savory. To make chana sattu flour at home, I'm simply taking 1 cup of roasted gram or bhuna chana to grind. While here, I'm making chana or gram sattu. Different varieties of sattu are also made using grains like barley and wheat. The roasted chana has been ground into Sattu flour. It's time to sieve the flour. I'm sieving the flour to make it into a fine powder. You can skip this step if you would prefer the coarser texture with more fiber content. Our homemade chana sattu flour is ready for use. Store it in an airtight container and you can make a variety of treats like sattu paratha, kachori, laddu, and of course Sattu Sharbat, which we are going to make now. To make this sweet sattu drink, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of sattu. Initially, I'm adding a little water so that we can avoid the lumps later on. Mix this well. To this, sugar as per your taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar powder. Add chilled water. So simple. For the savory version or namkeen sattu drink, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of sattu in another glass, adding a little water and mixing. Add to this salt as per taste. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon. Next, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon Indian black salt or kala namak. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Mix this. Add chilled water. Add a few ice cubes before serving. You can garnish the namkeen Sattu Sharbat with mint leaves. Have it sweet or have it salty, you are going to savor it either ways, just like life. Whatever the flavor, at the end it's always memorable, isn't it? Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.